Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
We will learn how to copy Roblox clothing templates on Discord. So firstly, what we need to do is after opening up our browser, we'll type in RBX Society in the search panel. Then open the Discord link. After opening it, you can add this app to your server, especially your Roblox server. So just click on Add App. Now from here, you'll have to select the server you want to add the bot in. So I'll just select my Roblox server, then click on Continue, authorize it. Now, here I am in my Roblox Discord server. We can just use the Roblox chatting text chat channel to use our bot. So in order to use this bot, firstly we have to head to the Roblox marketplace. So in the search panel of our browser, I'll type roblox.com. Now click on it. After that, I'll head to the marketplace. Now from here, go to the clothing section and select any clothing. I'll just select a classic shirt. Now you can click on any item from here. So I'll just type this Spider-Man t-shirt. Now from the top hand side, I'll have to click copy the URL and click on copy. After that, open our Discord server, and in the bot chatting section, we'll type /rs space, then paste the link in here. Now as you can see, the clothing is loaded. So I can just click on it, open it in our browser, then copy it and use it anywhere we want.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.